mentally, emotionally, the way that it made me feel. It's like when I plan to do things, it just gets disrupted, you know. Yoga. So it's like a 2-in-1. Well, look at how it's snowing. I don't even know if my camera is picking up the snowflakes, but of course it's much better in person. You know, it's more detailed. Hi guys, good morning. First of all, excuse the noise in the background. If you can hear it, I'm doing laundry. It's like 8:30 a.m. and I'm already dressed. I don't know if you guys can see. I have on my gym attire because recently I have gotten into yoga. You know, one of my girlfriends invited me, and it so happened that I really enjoyed it, you know, physically and mentally, emotionally, the way that it made me feel. I fell in love with it. So I'm actually dressed to go to yoga this morning. She's actually on her way to pick me up already. Of course, by the title of this video, you know what it is. A day in the life. It's not like a usual day, but you know, this morning I just woke up with a good spirit and a good vibe, and I'm like, you know what, it's Sunday, but I'm gonna vlog. I'm not taking my camera there. I'm just gonna like, oh yeah, that's probably her. She's probably downstairs, so I'll check back in with you guys in a bit. Back from yoga, and as you can see, I showered and washed my hair. Ooh, look how nice my curls. I didn't even get to finish blow dry it. Let's not talk about that because right now I'm heading to the movies, and when I come back I will finish this vlog. This is one of the reasons I did not want to vlog in first place, because it's like when I plan to do things, it just gets disrupted, you know, because I have to be here. Friends make last minute plans and they call me and I have to go here, and then I have a lot of things to do, and it just gets crazy, like from 0 to 100 real quick. I will come back and finish this vlog in a minute, right? So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Just came back from the movies and I'm so tired, so I'll probably have to finish this vlog in the morning. But before I went to the movies, I went to Dick's and I got my yoga mat, and then I also got 2 sweaters because you know it's winter time now, so I need to be cozy. Let me show y'all. Okay, yeah, let me show you what I got. I got this sweater. It's so cute, look at it. And I got this one. And I actually don't have these 2 colors, so I'm like happy to add it in my collection. So, oh, and my yoga mat. I got this one, guys, so I can use it for working out and also yoga. So it's like a 2-in-1. Yeah, it's like a 2-in-1 because it's getting very cold and you're not trying to be getting out of bed every time in this cold. So hopefully that will come in handy when I want to do a little inside workout, you know. I'll finish this tomorrow, so I hope you guys have a good night. Rest up and say your prayers. Don't forget. Good night. Okay, this is not a good angle. Can you see me? Guys, I am back. You know what, for a second I actually thought that I was gonna give up this vlogging thing, but you know what, I'm going through it. Where did I left off? Yes, so I bought some stuff for my bathroom lights because one, I don't like the lights in my bathroom at all, and secondly, 2 of the lights, the bulbs blew. So I bought these are the small ones to go in. I'll show you guys. And then I bought these here. It basically makes like a DIY vanity mirror. I also bought some tape so I can stick up some stuff. And I have a few more stuff to order, but I'm trying not to order a lot of things that will clutter my apartment, because you all know my apartment is not that big, you know, it's not. But I'm comfortable and it's livable and workable, so thank God that I have a place to live, guys. So let me go show you guys how I'm gonna put up my lights. I don't know if this lighting is good, but anyway. So I'm basically gonna use these lights and border my mirror with it. First, let me check to see if it's working, because I did not check. Oh yeah, it is. Let's hope I don't fall. Let me get my stool. Okay. I just changed my pants because I don't want all my boom boom up on the screen. I'm attempting to do this. Yeah, this is about to be lit, guys. This is about to be lit. I just wanted to test it and see how it would look. Looks nice. And it gives it more light too. Definitely gives it. I'm turning it down and all the way back up. Even I feel like I didn't really stick it that good, but I will just have to work because I'm doing this alone. Let me take this out and show you how it is. Oh y'all, and remember I told you that I only had one light working. It was because those up there, let me see if I can, those three up there, they were literally one bulb working. So I already put the bulbs in, so now we have enough lights. I'm so happy because in here feels so cool and it just makes me feel like I want to do my makeup in here now. So here, look. It's not straight, guys, but it's workable. It's workable. It's workable. It's only me here. Okay. The lighting now is good that I could actually film in here. Like, look. If I take it off, let me show you the difference. So this is without the vanity lights on my mirror, okay? And this is with it on. Come on, like, look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So that's it for tonight, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and come back for more. Bye, good night.